Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to type dot in keyboard, and here is the keyboard. For this you need to press this dot key, which is just above the control key. Just press the dot key and here it is. If you want to insert the ellipsis, then you need to press 3 dots and it will be convert to the ellipsis. And you can also use the shortcut key, which is the Alt, Control and plus dot, like this one. Moreover, if you have a full size keyboard, there is a dedicated decimal point key on the bottom row of the pad like this one, and here it is. If you need a dot that is not a standard period, use these method. For this you need to insert like a bullet points. You need to press this Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 7 like this one. So in Microsoft Word you need to press this Shift plus 8 and space bar. Shift plus 8 space bar, and here it is. You can also use the Alt code. For this you need to press this Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 250. So hold the Alt key and press 250 and release the Alt key, and here it is. Moreover, you can also use another code. You need to press the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 0183 and release the Alt key. So keep in mind, if you are using the numeric keypad, ensure the num lock light should be on. Or also you should ensure your keyboard is set to the correct language, United States English, as some layout, swap, punctuation, positions. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.